The Be Quiet Pure Rock Pro 3 Black CPU cooler is equipped with 6 high-performance copper heat pipes, ensuring your processor remains cool even under heavy workloads or overclocking. The 120mm Pure Wings 3 PWM fan is expertly designed with optimized blades, providing exceptional airflow and maintaining a quiet operation. Despite its double tower design, the cooler's compact structure allows for greater compatibility with RAM and VRM coolers, enhancing its versatility in different setups. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, thanks to a well-designed mounting kit that simplifies the process, particularly benefiting AMD users with offset mounting options. The cooler not only performs powerfully, but also boasts an elegant and discreet design that complements any PC build without drawing unnecessary attention. Reflecting German engineering excellence, the Pure Rock Pro 3 combines durability, performance, and aesthetics, making it a standout choice for CPU cooling solutions.